Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining me today. What we're going to be doing here is checking and maintaining our battery demonstration. Because out there, it's a time where we don't ride our car. It's showtime! We have a problem that after 3-4 weeks, right, we have a battery drain. What do we do to check our battery? Sure, we pop the hood, look for the center of the car for this particular one, or for any car. We locate the battery, that's the first thing, and it's located right there. Now let's take a closer look at the battery. In any of your cars, you have a specific battery. 20HR, 60AH, CCA, 360A, 355LN2-MF, GSYUASA. I'm most sure that could be the name of the battery, etc., etc. It's made in Japan. Underneath here is your terminal and a couple of fuses. So let's open it up, give you an idea what it looks like. So if you need to jump start, you simply lift the cover. And if you need to get to the other fuses, you simply just push in the other tab and this will snap off, exposing a 140 amps and a 60 amps. Now, when you want to check the level of your fluid, you could check down here. Right over here, there's a low line, and there's a fill line. What do you do to check your fluid, you say? Well, a lot of these batteries are maintenance free. You grab a nickel. You start to unscrew your maintenance free battery. But before you do that, make sure this area is clean. You want to wear gloves when you do this. You don't want to get the electrolytes on you. You want to have baking powder, and you want to have a spill kit to clean things up. So as you look in, the level of the battery should be right about here, and they are. Now, I'm not going to check each of the level, but you could get a nice close-up look of the level. Take a nice look inside. You can see the level of the battery acid. Now, if the battery is low, whoa, stop. You don't want to pour in water. You want to pour in the correct battery fluid. Electrolytes. You can find it at the battery store. People say you could pour in distilled water. Well, this battery doesn't need electrolytes to be put in. Electrolytes will feel like a burn if it gets into your cut of your hand, anything that you got. So I am going to close mine up nice and tight. And there is a little bit of a spill. What do you do to clean it up? Oh yeah, like I said, don't lick it. Don't want to do that. So this battery, it's pretty good. It's going to hold its charge. You need to check your battery like you check your oil once in a blue moon. As long as you maintain a good, healthy car, you won't have a problem. So on that note, you're all done, you're finished, and you cleaned everything up. Everything's nice and clean. The terminals are nice and clean and not corroded. There's nothing to worry about. So you close everything up. You say thank you very much for viewing, and you all have a great day.